The Netherlands killed China's industry when it stopped supplying chip manufacturing machines to China at the request of the US. ASML holding NV cancelled the shipment of some of its machinery to China at the request of US President Joe Biden's administration, weeks before a ban on exports of high-end chip-making equipment took effect, people familiar with the matter said. Familiar with this issue? The Dutch manufacturer has a license to ship 3 leading deep ultraviolet lithography machines to Chinese companies until January when the new Dutch restrictions come into full effect. However, U.S. officials have contacted ASML to ask them to immediately stop shipping some machines that were scheduled to be shipped to Chinese customers, according to people familiar with the matter who requested anonymity because discussions are kept confidential. This person said U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan called the Dutch government about the issue late last year and Dutch officials asked the U.S. to contact ASML directly about the operation. Transfer device, called ultraviolet immersion lithography machine. They said shipments of a limited number of machines were cancelled at the request of the United States, although it was unclear how many machines were involved. In an industry where equipment typically costs $10 million, ASML is asking about $180 million for its current high-end machine. Biden is cracking down on Beijing's efforts to become a world leader in the semiconductor industry, and the US and its allies are blocking access to imported technology. Huawei Technologies Co of China has produced a smartphone to compete with Apple Incorporated's iPhone. Last year using top-of-the-line chips produced using ASML's embedded lithography press. Xi Jinping must be in extreme pain after this blow from the Netherlands, and the person behind the controls is Biden. China's semiconductor dream was painfully crushed by the US.